New technologies and innovations continue to propel the lake management industry forward by driving more eco-friendly, efficient, and long-lasting freshwater management approaches. Drone applications are the latest innovation of SOLitude's toolbox of solutions. This game-changing service allows us to better serve our clients who struggle with invasive aquatic and wetland vegetation in remote or sensitive aquatic environments. The use of drones in freshwater management has many advantages. Drones allow our team of lake and pond management experts to remotely monitor the growth of invasive aquatic plant species and execute highly targeted applications of EPA-approved herbicides over wide areas that are inaccessible or difficult to reach by boat or ground. Aerial drones are ideal for applications targeting large infestations of floating aquatic plants such as water hyacinth, giant salvinia, water chestnut, and crested floating heart. Additionally, this technology serves as an excellent management tool when dealing with emergent or wetland plants such as Phragmites, cattails, Brazilian pepper, and flowering rush, all of which are known to take over vast areas of ecosystems and can be difficult to control with traditional management solutions. Additionally, drone technology provides an excellent alternative to ground applications when dealing with ecologically sensitive aquatic and wetland environments, which can be home to endangered plant and animal species or potentially dangerous animals such as alligators and snakes. Lastly, drones are especially quiet and unobtrusive around residential spaces. To guarantee privacy, the drones do not record, so homeowners can have peace of mind while aquatic management efforts occur nearby. Our drone pilots and our drones are registered with and certified by the FAA, ensuring that all applications meet local, state, and federal compliance for aircraft. SOLitude is excited to utilize drones to further support our mission of restoring ecological balance and enhancing beauty in lakes and ponds so that all can enjoy their aquatic resources for years to come. Our experts can work with you no matter what needs arise. Contact us today to get started.